Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a great little appetizer. We're making Pizzaroni Poppers on a birch barrel. We need to start with prepping the Anaheim Peppers, so here's what we're gonna do. The first thing that we need to do is half the pepper and remove all the seeds. You also want to remove some of the inner walls so the pepper has a nice boat-like shape. Now when the peppers are ready, it's time to prepare the filling, so here's what we're gonna do. First, you want to open a can of the Urban Slicer pizza sauce, and then we're going to brush this on the inside of the pepper. Then we're going to season the peppers with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Now you want to mix 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I like the Chive onion flavored ones, with equal amounts shredded mozzarella. Then you want to mix this thoroughly until you get a nice paste. Then we're going to take 4 ounces of finely sliced pepperonis, and we're going to first cut it in quarters and then chop it into thin pieces. Now you want to fill each pepper with plenty of the cheese mix and make sure that you fill all the nooks and the crannies of the pepper. After that, we're going to sprinkle it with the chopped pepperonis and use a lot because pepperonis are good. So the peppers are ready, so it's time to light the birch barrel. We're going to use a couple of sticks of pecan wood. You don't need a big fire for this. Then it's time to place the peppers on the grill. Then you want to grill them until they have a good char, but they still have a little bit of resistance. You don't want them to go completely soft. Last but not least, we want to torch the top side to get a little bit more char on the pepperonis and the cheese mix. Then it's time to remove them and they're ready to eat. And that is how I make my Pizzaroni Poppers on the birch barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. I like to let them cool off a little bit so that they're easier to handle. And it's such a fun little appetizer. So here we go. Great charred flavor. A little bit of heat from the Anaheim Peppers. And then a good pepperoni pizza taste as well. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Wow, happy grilling.